Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Make sure your TV has cast built-in or a Chromecast and that both devices share the same Wi-Fi. Once done, open the Cast app on your phone and grant local network and screen capture permissions so the app can detect your TV. You should see available devices listed. If not, toggle Wi-Fi off/on and reopen the app. Now tap the TV name to begin pairing. This is the first actionable move that connects your phone to the display. Once paired, select the TV in the Cast app and choose Screencast or Mirror mode to transmit your display. Make sure you adjust resolution and orientation in settings so visuals fit a 16:9 screen, and choose the phone or TV as the audio source depending on latency needs. You'll see a permission prompt on the TV. Accept it. If performance stutters, reduce resolution or close background apps. This detailed execution step ensures smooth video and synced audio for what you share. To finish, tap Stop in the Cast app or disconnect from your phone's quick settings, then confirm the TV returns to its normal input. If things go wrong, try a quick restart. Power cycle the router, then the TV, then your phone. This clears most network issues. Make sure app and TV firmware are up to date, and if you still see lag, switch Wi-Fi bands or move devices closer to the router. A single troubleshooting tip: restart the router first to reset local network routing.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.